Hello, I'm going to be showing you how to add the ripple effect on your text. Now, the first thing you have to do is press the letter T on your keybind, or you can just go to your toolbar on your left side and go all the way down until you find the little T symbol. It's going to, if you hover over, it's going to say horizontal type tool. Click on it. Now that you have selected the text tool, just hover your mouse over the artboard and just left click. Now I'm going to start typing. I'm just going to type, let's say, the ripple effect. After you finish typing, now what you're gonna have to do is just hover your mouse all the way to the top and see this check mark on top of your screen. Now just press the letter V. That is your move tool. That'll help you move around your text. But let's say, as you see mine, it's very little. And let's say I want to enlarge it so you can see it much better. What you're gonna have to do is press Control T on your keyboard. Then you see these little white boxes. If you hold left click on one of the corners, this will help you enlarge it, as you see, and I can move it. I'm enlarging whatever. And you can also do the opposite if it's too big. As you see, after I've done that, now just like how you finish typing, you can press the check mark on the top, or you can just press enter. Now that you've made your text, what you're going to do is look at your top left of your screen and find the filter setting. After you see it, it's between select and 3D. Click on it, and then you see this. Now what we're going to do is just go down all the way to distort. Have your mouse over it, and then you see these options. You'll pick the ripple option. Click on it, and then you might get this warning. This type of layer must be rasterized or converted to smart object. Now that's fine. Just click convert to smart object. Now as you see, you get this tab. This tab will help you edit the text. As you see, this is the preview of how it's going to look like. Now you see this little bar that's it says, now you see this word called amount, and below is a bar, and a bit like to the right of it you see this number. This will help you on how much you want to add the ripple onto your text. Now you can type it. Let's say if I put like 200. Now as you see, it looks much more wavy now that you've typed 200. Another way you can do it is just if you see the little white arrow, you can just hold left click on it, and then you can just move it to the right and left. This also does the same thing as we've done with the text. Now you can put it like negative, or you can do whichever way you want. Say I'm gonna put like right here. You can even do the size, like how big of the ripples do you want to add. They're small, medium, and large, as you see. I'm just gonna keep mine at medium. I'm gonna put like right here 273. Then after that, just press OK. The ripple is now taking effect. That's how you add the ripple effect onto text. You can add it onto image. You can even add it onto like different images or whatever. I was just using text as the example. Now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.